Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing affiliate marketing from your phone using faceless YouTube videos, AI tools, and free traffic. If you've been looking for affiliate marketing from your phone and wondering whether it's actually possible to generate commissions without making videos yourself, without hiring a team, and without spending money on ads, then pay close attention because that's exactly what we're covering today. And real quick, if you want more videos about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, and making money online, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I post content like this regularly. Also, if you want to follow the exact system I'm using, check the pinned comment below. You'll find two resources. First, you'll find my discounted Syllaby link, where you can get started and even try it for free. Second, you'll find my #1 recommended affiliate offer called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale, and when you get started, you'll also receive access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Now let's jump into it. So when people hear affiliate marketing from your phone, most people think they need to be posting selfies on Instagram all day or dancing on TikTok. That's not what I'm doing. What I'm doing is creating faceless YouTube content using AI. The process is actually very simple. Step 1 is finding content ideas. This is where Syllaby comes in. One of the biggest reasons people fail with affiliate marketing from your phone is because they run out of content ideas. They don't know what to post. They don't know what videos to create, and eventually, they quit. Syllaby solves that problem by helping generate content ideas and organize your content strategy. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to create next, I can quickly generate content ideas around affiliate marketing, AI tools, making money online, side hustles, and other topics in my niche. That saves a tremendous amount of time. Then once I find an idea I like, I use Syllaby to help generate scripts. Again, this speeds up the process dramatically. Now, obviously, I personalize everything. I add my own examples. I add my own experience. But instead of starting from zero, I have a framework to work from. And that's a huge advantage. If you're interested in using the same tool, check the discounted Syllaby link in the pinned comment below. You can get started and see how it works for yourself. Now, after I have a script, I turn it into a faceless video. This is where affiliate marketing from your phone becomes incredibly powerful, because you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You can use stock footage, screen recordings, AI visuals, text animations, B-roll footage. There are tons of ways to create engaging content without ever appearing on camera. Then I upload those videos to YouTube. And here's where things get interesting. YouTube becomes my traffic source. Instead of chasing people, people discover my content. Instead of sending spam messages, people come to me. Instead of buying ads, I'm getting free traffic. This is one of the reasons I love affiliate marketing from your phone. The content keeps working even after I upload it. A video I create today can generate views tomorrow, next week, next month, and sometimes even years from now. That's the power of creating assets. Now let's talk about monetization. Because views don't pay the bills, sales do. In my videos, I recommend products and services that are relevant to the audience. One of my favorite examples is Daily Income Method. If someone is looking for ways to make money online, it's a logical fit. The program can pay up to $200 per sale. And if people get started through my recommendation, they also receive access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. You'll find that resource in the pinned comment below as well. This is where affiliate marketing from your phone becomes a real business. You're not just creating content, you're creating content that solves problems and connects people with solutions. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple. Now, another reason I like Syllaby is that it helps me stay consistent. Consistency is one of the biggest predictors of success on YouTube. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they stop posting. They run out of ideas. They get overwhelmed. They lose momentum. Having a system makes a huge difference. And that's exactly why I continue using Syllaby. Again, if you want to try it yourself, the discounted link is in the pinned comment and you can get started for free. Quick question. How many videos are you posting every week right now? Drop a comment below because I'd love to know. And while you're down there, make sure you hit like and subscribe because it helps this channel grow and lets me know to create more content like this. Now let's recap the process. Choose a niche. Use Syllaby to generate ideas. Use Syllaby to create scripts. Create faceless YouTube videos. Upload consistently. Get free traffic from YouTube. Recommend relevant affiliate products. Earn commissions. That's the exact model I'm using. And the best part is that most of it can be managed directly from your phone. If you want to start building your own affiliate marketing business from your phone, check the pinned comment. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link and my top recommended affiliate offer, Daily Income Method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.